Time to make egg. The bed. I did. 10 minutes. Add some salt. Mix it. Tell when Mom and Dad cook this on the stove. Put the bowl in the pan. Wait for it to melt. Then pour in the eggs. Mix that for you bit. Don't cook it too long or it will dry out. I may add the bacon. And you bit fruit. Now we eat.